Hi everyone. This side Saurabh. I'm a WordPress developer and expert, having 6 years of experience in WordPress development. Today, I'm going to show you how we can create a simple component with the latest version of WordPress and Elementor, which make very easy for us to create an possible infinite possible designs. So let me share my screen quickly to show you how we can create a design. Okay, so we are inside our Elementor Builder, and I have already created a page as you can see on my screen. But I will show you how we can create all these types of component as you can see on my screen. This is my promo component, which means it's will be showing as soon as the user lands on our website on this page. Then we have this award page with a beautiful contact form. Then we have some information here, then some other information, then what text we are providing, then again a form, then in last the articles that we have written for users to understand the concepts of site code. Then in the end we have our services sections. So let me show you how we can create a simple section. The first one here, as you can see. So what we are going to do, we have to just going to click on this one. As you can see, there are multiple type of structure here. As you can see, this is like a 50-50, this is 70-30, then these are like 25% off. But we are going to take an empty. As you can see, these are arrow. I will tell you what that means, like down arrow and side arrow. So let me choose this one first, the side arrow. And as you can see, this is a side arrow, and you have three options here in your container. I'm using container, which is a latest one in the Elementor Builder. The previous one was sections and columns. And with this latest feature, we can create a numerous type of design. So let's just quickly go to items. Then items, as you can see, row, horizontal, vertical, reversed, and column reverse. And here we can set our type, like how our content which will be inside the container, how it will show. It will show left side, it will show in the center, or it will show in the left side, or it will there will be a space between all the contents, or any type of content that will be going to use here. So now as we have taken this container here, let's quickly add a padding to it. So I will be adding 40 padding as equals to all the paddings that I have added in above sections. So as you can see, we are getting a little bit by bit the same design as you can see here. As let me show you, I have chosen the same horizontal design with a 50-50 because it was the initial section, but all the section that we have used after that has a padding margin of 14. So let's go to this. Then what we have to do, we have to take another container. Let me show you. Then I will just duplicate it another container. Now let me show you what the direction means in the containers. So as you can see, the direction is left to right, which is horizontal. If you click vertical, which will be top to bottom, you can see that these and these column will be one top of another. Now let me show you. As you can see, this is all the columns are one to top another of each other. Let's just take it as it is. Then let's just see what we have added here. In these sections, we have added a heading, as you can see. Then we have a text editor P. Then we have a CTA, which is a button that we have. Let's do the same here. But before that, what we should do, there is already a padding whenever we create any kind of section, or you could say any kind of container or anything inside that. So let's remove this. How can we remove it? Just go to advanced, then click on this one. When all the values of padding will be 0, then anything extra padding that comes by default in Elementor will be removed. Then what should we do? That I don't want to go and change this again and again in all my containers. So what should I do? I will just copy this and click on this and just paste style. What it will do, it will copy all the styles or anything custom that you have done in this column here as well. So what should we do now? Again, as you can see that we have getting the design same as this one. We should add a photo same as this one that we have here. So what should we go? Just go to this container, then go to your styling. As you can see your background here, what we have multiple options. We have a classic. In classic you can use image. In gradient you can have multiple type of color gradient. Let me show quickly like this one. You can see a gradient here. You can see changes like this, angle wise and all. Then we have a video option as well. We can show a video in our background. And last we have a slide, so we can show multiple type of images sliding through the container. Let me show you the same what I did in my container, promo container. Just click on this, then go to the image that we have uploaded here. I have selected the image, and yeah, so as you can see we have the same coloring that we have here. Then what should we do? We in this first section of this container, let's just add a heading. I will just drag and drop my heading component here. We'll just click here, and what text we are using here. The text could be anything. I'm just copying it for not repetitive purposes. So let me copy and paste it. As you can see, we have copied the same text. Then what comes after this is the style. In the style tab, you have to select the color. I'm going to choose this 000, which is black. Then here in this option typography, what you will do, you have a bunch of settings related to font family, like font family, font size, font weight, and transform, and line height, letter spacing, word spacing. Let me go really quick. Choose my font, which is Rubik. I will choose Rubik as my font. Then I will choose 600 as a size. Then let's just say 45 for the font size, and 50 as a line height. Line height means whatever comes in the first line, then after whatever comes in the second line, there will be a gap between these two words or these lines. So that's what we call line height. So now let's just as you can see, now we have the same as here. Now let's just quickly do some image settings here, so that we can get the same style as our promo component. As you can see, we have multiple image options here. What we need to do is first need to do use center and center, the position of our image. Then attachment, we don't have to like use any one of these, like scroll all fixed. In the repetitive, we don't want to repeat our image repetitively, like it will come first here, then again a copy of it will show here. So we don't want any kind of repetition. Then display size, we should use always cover for any kind of images we use as a background image for any section. Now second, what we have, the second component we have as a text editor. Let me copy it, then the text, and just go to here this. Then as you can see, text editor here as a section, and just drop it. Then let me just copy paste it. Then again I want to choose all the settings same, like Rubik as a my font family. Then we have a CT here as well. So what we need to do, just type button and just drag and drop a button here, and let's just make it little bit look good big, and let's just write contact us, and let's just really fast so that we could reduce our time. Okay, paste styling, then again copy. You can choose any kind of color as it seems fit for your website theme or as your mood. I'm just copy and pasting the same color. So yeah, so it's similar now. As you can see, we have the same content here as in our promo section. In second section, we are not adding any particular thing. As you can see here, it's an empty box. So as you can see, we have this our first section here, which is quite actually big. Let's just say, okay, so we have forgot one setting. What we need to do, we have to just divide the section. Like this will be 60% of the 100%, and this will be our 40%, the width of the section. Okay, so here we go. Let me add here as well 100%. Okay, 60%, 40%. Okay, full width 60, 16 down. Just do one. Okay, let's make it similar to before. 60, 60 down. Start. Okay. Not gone wrong. Okay, it's not. It was not 60. Okay, yeah, now it's 60. Now it's similar to before. Okay, so now it's same as before. Let me add some margin so we can see this section properly now. Let me add a margin of 100. So yeah, now you can see that we have the similar kind of promo section that we have at the top of our website here. You can adjust the margin and padding of both sides as it seems fit to your needing. Thank you, and that's it for today.